hope to see you soon. And remember, you did it.
We hope that you've enjoyed Songs of the Sea. Please remember to take all your belongings with you. Thank you and have a pleasant evening.
海之颂